Alright guys, today we're talking about auto-presenting door handles. So they basically come out when you unlock the car. This is going to allow you to simply put your hand under or over and then just pull it out. Another thing that we're going to be talking about is soft close doors. Let's start with the auto-presenting door handles. So they're completely flush with the car just like this. If you want them to present when they are not in their presented form, you simply have to press the front and they automatically come out. Now you can still manually open the doors, of course, but now we have the feature for it to auto present. If it's not in its presented state, just press the front as I did there and it will automatically come out like this. If you want to change the color, you can see it's currently rainbow now. Just press this button on the driver's side door. You can see it's changed to like a pulsing rainbow. Then we have this red, green, blue, white, which I really like, and I'm going to keep it like that. So you have this kind of aqua red, purple, this nice blue, and then you can turn it off completely. So I'm going to just cycle it back to white, and you can see that this one's white. This one is also white, and after a certain amount of time, I think it's like a minute or like 30 seconds, these both will close automatically. So you don't have to worry about them just staying out like this. You can see it just closed like that, whereas this one is still open. However, when you go and lock the car, or when the car locks when you walk away, you can see that it closes automatically by itself and the light will turn off. All right guys, you don't have to be super careful when you're closing the door, but you also don't have to slam it either anymore, which is great. Just grab the door handle and pull it closed and it will suck it in automatically. You don't have to do anything more than just pulling it towards you. And then pressing and opening it is just as normal. You just got to get the little latch into the metal groove and it'll close it for you. So again, you don't have to worry about yanking it closed. You just kind of got to pull it towards you and really just let it fall close. And it sucks it in just like that. Now, there's a few ways to have the door handles auto present. The car is currently unlocked. If I lock it from the inside, nothing happens because, well, the door handles are closed, the car is locked. But if I unlock the car, like I want a passenger to get in, check this out. The door handles are automatically going to present. If I open the door handle is ready for a passenger to grab it. This is perfect if you have like Uber or Lyft, or you're around people that don't know a lot about Teslas. Because I've been around those people and they do not know how to open Model 3, Model Y doors. So you just have them auto present like this and you can just pull it, the door will unlatch, it'll go back in and they can get in the car. I just unlocked the car again, so the door handle popped out. If I go ahead and lock the car, you can see the door handle will go in just like that. The door handles will only get better because they support over-the-air updates. So if the manufacturer ever needs to update or upgrade the design, they can do that via software, just like the Tesla. The soft close doors are super simple, and I can't tell you how nice it is not to have people slamming the doors anymore. And these auto-presenting door handles are great. Instead of just manually, like I said, pushing it in and grabbing it, literally just press it, it comes out. You basically have Model S doors on your Model 3 or Model Y now, because remember, the auto-presenting door handles, and with the self-closed doors, you're basically like a Model X, not self-closed. And with the soft-closed doors, you're basically like a Model X. Model X status, Model S status on your Model 3 and Y. So check those out in the description below. I'll have a discount code. You can either buy them separately or buy them together, and it makes it super cheap.